Hi, this is Siam Legal. Thailand has recently reopened the country to travelers, both Thais and foreigners, whether vaccinated or unvaccinated. In this video, you'll learn about the step-by-step process in applying for a Thailand Pass. Step 1. Visit the official Thailand Pass website. You may go to https://tp.consular.go.th/. Once there, you may choose the option for the non-Thai nationals or Thai nationals. After that, you'll be directed to a page where you can choose the entry program. Test and Go program for fully vaccinated travelers entering any international airport. Sandbox program also for fully vaccinated travelers entering Phuket or Samui. Alternative quarantine for partially vaccinated and unvaccinated travelers. Step 2. Details of your arrival. In this part, you'll provide the purpose of travel to Thailand, whether for tourism or if you're a returning resident. You will also provide your country of departure, airport of arrival, flight number, date of arrival, and proposed exit date from Thailand. Step 3. Provide your personal information. Here you'll provide your full name as stated in your passport or travel document, nationality, passport number, date of birth, and email address. Please make sure that you check the correct spelling of your personal information before you proceed to the next step. Step 4. Upload proof of vaccination. In this part, you'll provide your vaccination information. You'll provide the name or brand of your vaccination and also the date of vaccination. You'll be able to upload a JPEG or a PNG file of your proof of vaccination. For faster processing of your Thailand Pass, it's recommended to also upload the QR code of your vaccination document, if it's available. For travelers who recovered from COVID-19 with 2 or more vaccinations, you are not required to submit a copy of your certificate of recovery. However, if you're not fully vaccinated, you may upload the certificate of recovery and at least 1 dose of vaccine. Step 5. Provide your hotel details. Here, you'll be required to provide the details of your SHA Plus or AQ hotel reservation. You will provide the type of accommodation, name and address, reservation number, and the check-in and check-out dates. If you're applying under the Test and Go program, you are required to book for day 1 and day 5. For the Sandbox program, you will book for at least 7 nights. And for the alternative quarantine program, you must book at least 10 nights. Please make sure that the hotel reservation is fully paid in order for your hotel to approve your Thailand Pass application. For travelers entering Phuket or spending their second COVID test in Phuket, you'll be able to book your RT-PCR test at www.thailandpass.com and provide the receipt number when you fill out the information on this part of the process. Step 6. Submit your COVID-19 insurance. In this part, you'll provide the COVID-19 insurance. You must provide the policy number, start date of the insurance policy, and upload the 1-page document of your certificate of insurance. Also, in this part, you're able to upload additional documents such as the RT-PCR test receipt or additional insurance documents. We recommend AXA insurance. Step 7. Summary of your Thailand Pass application. This is the last part of the application process. You will have a summary of your application. Please check all information that you have provided, and if everything is correct, you may submit the application. You will then receive your 6-digit access code, which will appear on your screen, and it'll also be sent to your registered email. The application for Thailand Pass is free of charge. In case you're experiencing difficulty with the Thailand Pass system, you could also avail the professional services of Siam Legal International, a law firm in Thailand that will help you for a thorough and successful Thailand Pass application, and therefore make it easy for you to get to the land of smiles. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about Siam Legal International's Thailand Pass assistance, please check in the description below.